at Andrews Air Force Base. And we had been in extensive negotiations to bring home 3 Americans that had been locked in the prisons of North Korea for years. And after months of negotiations, they were standing at the top of that stairs. As they came down the stairs, I'll never forget, they greeted me. They were walked down by the President and the Secretary of State. But they handed me a 3x5 card that had a personal note written to me on it. And I have it in my home, in my study to this day. And I cherish it as one of my most prized possessions from my service as Vice President. And on one side, it simply said, we want to thank you, Mr. Vice President, for your role in securing our release. And we thank God for the privilege of meeting you. But on the flip side, they hand wrote an ancient verse that spoke that when the captives are set free, they go forth rejoicing. And I didn't know at that time that these 3